and start a slow roll. We're going to follow this line and we're going to face that way. So start a turn to the left. There you go. Alright, lights are on, make sure it's good. Checks, finals clear. We look out there, don't see anyone coming in. Alright, you can add a little bit of power now to get us going. And once we line up, smoothly apply full power, just a normal takeoff like we've been doing.
Elizabeth City Tower, Skyhawk 84 Tango is clear at the Delta.
84 Tango for exchange crew, you have a nice flight.
We'll look over at our temperature, or our pressure and our temperatures, which are in the green, and our airspeed's coming alive now, right? Nice. 55, rotate, and put that nose down, let our speed get up to about 74. So get that nose down a little bit, let our speed build up to about 74-ish.
7 Delta Golf, wind is 330 at 7. Runway 28 at Golf, you're clear for takeoff, make a left turn out eastbound.
Do you need to put some trim in there? There you go.
Runway 28 clear for takeoff.
Put some trim in there. Because we're having to put a lot of forward pressure. Trim's going to make everything easier. How are we looking behind us? Are we looking good, or are we going to the we're going to the right a little bit, or to the left?
A little bit to the left.
Alright, let's fix that. Alright, look behind us. We're going far to the left, right? So let's correct immediately for that. Alright, there's 700 feet. You can start a turn to about a 060 heading. So just a smooth turn. Keep that, or you're good right now with your airspeed. Start looking outside for a point that you can visually fly to. It's super hazy today though because of those fires, but alright, then once we do that, let's go ahead and run our climb checklist. So let's bug our heading. Let's use our heading bug. Boom. So twist it to about 060. There we go. Alright, let's run our climb checklist. So trim the airplane out, and there you go. Alright.
Speed is looking pretty good.
Okay, between 70
we're not at 3K.
70 and 85, which we're at 74.
Yep.
Throttle's full.
Instruments looking good, fine, nothing unusual.
Okay.
Elizabeth
This
City
is
Tower,
all
27 Charlie, clear
light plan
airspace to the
Is
east on top.
open, so I'll be the
27
flight
Charlie for exchange crew, you have a nice flight.
Alright.
Thank you.
And then when we get up to about 2,500, we could do our cruise checklist. But we'll get up to 2,500. Once we're above 2,500, or we're outside of this blue ring, we're outside of the Elizabeth City class Delta. So you could call and say, 285 Victor November, we're clear of the class Delta. But we have to wait till 2,500, or we're outside of the blue ring. And that is just airspace dimensions that you'll finish learning in ground. If we need to go over some of those, we'll go over those. But yep, so super hazy. Lower that nose a little bit. And is there anything out there that you can really see? Not really, right? It just looks
Not really.
super hazy. Looks like everybody's going to Currituck.
Alright, I'm gonna start reducing a little bit of power.
Alright, get that nose over. Let the speed build up just a little bit. So see how the speed's building up as we level off? Right now you could slowly reduce that power until when it sounds smooth. That sounds pretty smooth, right?
Yep.
Alright, so trim the airplane out.
pretty good. I'll just
All right. And let's go ahead and utilize the autopilot real quick. So press AP. And what do we want to fly, our heading or our navigation? I
Our
said
heading.
0, yep, so press heading. And then you can press FLC, and it will maintain our altitude, right? Yep,
FLC?
yep, which stands for flight level climb, so. And it would broadcast it right here. So
Okay.
we got heading mode, autopilot's on, flight level climb 95 knots. All right,
Cool.
let's do our cruise checklist real quick.
Alright. Our power, we have it to where we're not zooming.
All right, good. So
Make
we want
sure
the
it's
engine to sound,
fine.
we want the engine to sound quiet, but also make it sound happy so it's
Right.
not screaming, right?
Make sure it's fine. We're not above 3K. Instruments, they look usual.
Delta Golf, clear of
We're on our
Delta
heading.
Golf, exchange crew, you have a good flight.
GPS is up.
All right, perfect.
Alright, cool.
Sweet. And we're just gonna cruise here a little bit.
Got
All right.
Elizabeth City Tower, we're clear of your airspace.
1 Quebec at taxiway.
Yep, 285 here November, we're clear of the Class Delta, but wait for her to finish this
705
reception.
Quebec Tower, wind is 33 at 7, runway 28 at Golf, you're clear for takeoff, right turn out northbound.
I'm gonna turn the landing light on just because it's kind of
Electrician,
hazy,
roger
so
that,
I
thank
kind of
you.
want everyone to see us. Okay,
Right.
hold on.
From taxi Golf.